Good afternoon, or maybe as well already an early good evening. Thanks for joining us here in the Hotel Molitor. Probably all of you are aware who 90 years ago inaugurated this swimming hall. It was Johnny Weissmuller. At that time, one of the best swimmers. He won 5 Olympic gold medals, and he became the world-famous Tarzan, the king of the jungle. But today, it's the SUV, the king of the jungle, that we want to present to you. Our all-new GLE. So here it is, the all-new GLE. So here it is, the all-new GLE.
Paris has the highest number of visitors of all auto shows in the world. On top, of course, Paris is always worth a trip for us as well as Mercedes to show our latest and greatest of car design of new products on this particular show. So it's really important and very welcome for us. SUVs continue to be the most growing segment of the total market. And of course, with the original GLE, we kind of opened that space for premium brands, for luxury brands. Now with the new generation, we just go to the next level. Very, very bold, dynamic exterior design with the well-known Mercedes feature at the C pillar. Their interior becomes much more spacious. We now offer 3 rows of seating for 7 people. That's an absolute new feature for us. All in all, including all the new safety features and a very innovative suspension system, great for on-road performance with into the curve bending and off-road performances, including jumping out of sand dunes. We have a package which is second to none and makes me very, very confident that this generation will beat the extremely successful prior generation.
The new GLE is what I call best of both worlds. On the road, what you expect from a Mercedes. It's that superior feeling of almost gliding through traffic, as well as a true off-roader. You can go anywhere with this car, into the mountains, off-road, even into the desert. We have improved the new GLE in all its dimensions. Of course, it starts with the beautiful exterior design, and on the interior side it's a new design era, almost like a revolution. But it's also packed with technology. Everything is put into this car. Brand new powertrains, the latest and greatest, with 48 volt paired to our new gasoline 6-cylinder engine, for instance. A whole new suspension with E-active body control, a first in the auto industry. Our new connected car features and operating system, Mercedes-Benz UX, MBUX, finds its way into the SUV segment with over 40 new features, and I could go on and on. This is really a 360-degree improvement of the GLE. Well, it's hard to say. There are so many new things in the GLE, but one function is really a premiere in the auto industry. It's the E-active body control. It's an electric suspension where each individual wheel can be controlled. So if you drive over a road and you find a bump, it's smooth. It's almost like a magic carpet. You go over a bump. But it's also good for off-road features. If you ever get stuck in the sand, the car can literally shake itself loose and you can continue driving. An amazing piece of technology.